Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you protect a workbook, users cannot add, delete, hide, rename, or move workbook worksheets. You can also provide an optional password that must be entered before the workbook can be unprotected. This option is also a bit risky because if you forget the password, you cannot remove the workbook protection. To apply workbook protection, click the Protect Workbook button in the Protect button group on the Review tab of the ribbon to launch the Protect Structure in Windows dialog box. For most users, check the Structure checkbox to prevent users from adding, deleting, hiding, renaming, or moving worksheets. The Windows checkbox is not available for Office 2019 or Excel for Office 365 users on Windows machines. However, if it is available for a different version of Excel you happen to be using, then you can check the Windows checkbox to prevent users from moving, resizing, or closing the workbook window or hiding and unhiding windows. Then, if desired, enter a password into the Password Optional field. Then click the OK button when finished. If you entered a password, you must re-enter it into the Confirm Password dialog box that then appears, and then click the OK button. To remove workbook protection, click the Protect Workbook button in the Protect button group on the Review tab of the ribbon to toggle workbook protection off. If there is an associated password, Excel prompts you to enter it into the Unprotect Workbook dialog box, and then click the OK button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.